Fans, welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My people, nothing way hungry no go cause Yul Edochie. At this point, it is very clear, say, na hungry, na they beat our Ato. Hungry, na they beat Yul Edochie, serious one. Because at this point, even small pikin wey they born yesterday, suppose understand the handwriting on the wall. Yul Edochie is accusing May Edochie seriously. This one very, very strong allegations against May Edochie. Now, be that a lot of people don't already know most of this story. They don't already know a lot when it be say they don't know. They can't tell Yul Edochie say why Yul Edochie no carry this matter go court. Instead of Yul Edochie to display this woman name they go. Yul Edochie say May Edochie don't buy court. He say May Edochie don't buy court. He don't buy everybody for court. Say if he go court, now court now they cause him for them. And the judge, when they judge their case, now woman, anytime we reach there, now so the woman they cause him. They tell am say if you not talk well, if you not talk, they go throw am for kirikiri. Every time now that judge they tell am say if na she dey May Edochie position, she for don lock Yul Edochie for inside kirikiri. Because the audacity of destroying a home that was well built and coming out on social media proudly to claim rights, the judge tell am say if na she will make sure she use her last 10 kobo to lock Yul Edochie. He said the judge tell am say if na she be May Edochie, she go use her last 10 kobo. He go make sure say Yul Edochie not see the light of the day again in his life. Yul Edochie say na that kind court. Now you say make him carry case go. Say no, they carry case they go. He say bet May Edochie anyhow, he must pay him back for his money and his sweats. What are we talking about? We are talking about May Edochie DKK Company Investment. Now we dey talk for you. Now this company, when she dey sell electronics, she's a supplier, she's a wholesaler. You can go to her, you order, she will buy quantity, then she will import quantity and she will give to you. So Yul Edochie name was in this company. All of una already know the story. But for those who don't know the story, make I refresh una memory. So this company, na May Edochie get am. Then their children still small. When May Edochie opened this company, let me shock you. When May Edochie opened this company, they never born Zin. You see May Edochie last born now. They never born that one Zin. They never born her. That is to tell you how far this company don't they come. So after they open this company, now May Edochie come look and say, their children small. Nobody knows tomorrow. Now she get the company. If something happened to her, that company will just go like that. All those kind of company, they need nest of kin. So May Edochie can't put her children name. Can't put Daniela. He can't put Kambili, he can't put Kai. That time they never born Zin. Then he can't put Yul Edochie for the last. Then she can't add her brother name. She add her brother name join her because this life, nobody knows tomorrow. Her enemy fit buy just now. Say they can't say, okay, make her husband come carry the company. This man can just cut off her children and claim everything. So May Edochie also added the brother as a nest of kin in case anything happen, the brother will come out as a partnership. Tell Yul Edochie say no, this company now 5 of us na in dey in partnership. That was what May Edochie put for that company. After May Edochie and Yul Edochie separation don't come, Judy Austin don't enter into the marriage. Everything don't scatter. May Edochie will be say she not change that nest of kin since then. But as everything come they go, no say May Edochie na very intelligent woman. May Edochie, the first thing she did, she just carried this paper, documents, go meet lawyer. redo everything again. She can't put her daughter name. Her daughter don't grow. She put her daughter name. She puts Kambilishuku name. She puts Kai name. Then she can't even remove her brother name. She can't put Zin name. Then he can't put his brother as somebody in case to manage it for them. Don't remove Yul Edochie name. Come out totally. But she never told him that she don't remove that name. When they come, they go court for the divorce case. When they come start to go court for the divorce case, they come they talk about their property, how to share things. Yul Edochie come begin to drag me. Edochie say he wants half. He not even say quarter. He say half of that DKK company. Make me Edochie give him half. Me Edochie go take half. He go take half. This is company where Yul Edochie no know where they for start. It's just a nest of kin. Yul Edochie come begin to drag me Edochie for that this thing. They can't get to carry the paper, go court and everything until they can't find out say Yul Edochie was never a nest of kin in that paper. He position her in case anything happen to the owner of the company, which is me Edochie. Be that Yul Edochie is the father of the children, he can assist the children until they are of age. Once they get to adult age, he will hand over the company back to them. He has no right to sell. He has no right to challenge the children with that company. He's just somebody that will be of help until they reach that adult age. Which God protect me Edochie, nothing happened to her. The children don't already grow. So she cut off Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie have nothing to do with that company. Wetin me Edochie no know say that thing he paying Yul Edochie go reach Imarobon. So that company Yul Edochie not take 1 naira come aside. And that case they don't settle around. Matter don't settle. Court don't settle that matter. Now make una see say Yul Edochie no come talk that matter again. But now Yul Edochie don't begin to drag me Edochie name they go. According to Yul Edochie, he said na him give me Edochie money to open that business. Remember na the same lie when he tell Judy Austin. He said na him give me Edochie money to open that company. Now he stand by me Edochie. He no stress when he stress with me Edochie. And now me Edochie want to collect everything. He said me Edochie want to collect everything. He wants his half from that DKK company. Like he don't want money. He wants me to share am into two. May they share the business into two. He go take one, me Edochie go take one. You see wetin hungry dey cause? If I tell una say na hungry dey beat Yul Edochie, believe me. Na hungry na he dey beat am. He say me Edochie cannot collect this company from him. He know what he puts, the effort when he put through. By advising me Edochie, by standing by me Edochie, he said the company was not that easy at the very beginning. He said, but he was there with her. He said, but now see how me Edochie want to pay her. Me Edochie want to collect everything. Like this woman just mean to punish him because he commit adultery. He said, why this wickedness? So in they tell people they go now say, DKK company is part of the owner. Say na he and me Edochie open am. Na he and me Edochie start from scratch. Na he and me Edochie start from square one. People wey be say they don't already come, they know the story. Because then all of the things say truly Yul Edochie was the one doing everything. But these people now don't come find out say na lie o. My people, me Edochie don't receive something o. This woman don't receive something. Imagine say this woman put her name for all her property and yet they are still fighting with her. Just imagine say me Edochie not put her name or me Edochie not register all these things properly. Like these people really meant to deal with this woman. The reason why make Yul Edochie they misbehave. Yul Edochie believe say all these things in name they all. Now he make they misbehave. But me Edochie really play a fast one on Yul Edochie. This woman play a fast one. Now that thing they pepper Yul Edochie for body when they do everything to make sure say he drag me Edochie down. Yul Edochie believe that, oh, I don't get my name for everything. I have at least 50% of that property belong to me. If the woman do anyhow, we separate. I take my 50%, she take her 50%. But right now, if I tell you, say Yul Edochie is with 0%, you won't believe me. 0%. See the DKK company, he went with nothing. Like nothing. Now that DKK company, now they pepper Yul Edochie. And I will give you the reason when he make am the pepper Yul Edochie. The reason why he make am the pepper Yul Edochie be say, after me Edochie drop Yul Edochie out from that company, Yul Edochie make sure both physical and spiritual attack that DKK company. That company fall down. This woman see something. A lot of people no understand wetin me Edochie see. That company fall down. Me Edochie started from square one. Like they use physical, they use spiritual, everything for that company fall. The day where that company fall, they go there, they go thief, they pack everything. Like the day where this thing happened to me Edochie, that very day, Judy Austin and Yul Edochie, they dey online, they come dey dance. A lot of you might not know. Two of them come online. They come na that, you know, say that period they always dey dance. They come online, they come dey dance. No be small dancing. Why me Edochie was crying? That thing pay me Edochie. She invested in that company. So me Edochie started all over again. And Yul Edochie believes say, me Edochie no go ever rise up again for that DKK company. But today, I can shock you that that company is no longer where it is. Una know say me Edochie no dey give una all the details about her private life. Me Edochie has bought a big space. If you see DKK now, you not believe. Like the thing is going so well. The thing have expanded. Me Edochie is thinking of opening a branch. That's how big it is now. It has expanded. Things where they import, they come, not be small for them now. People are coming to buy wholesale. That place don't big. So person can go tell Yul Edochie say, your wife company no dey where dey again. No. He don't see the new place where dey. Wow. He say me Edochie is a silent goal scholar. She go just score a goal in silence without making noise. He say if you see DKK now, me Edochie has such a company and she just come out like normal person. He said the thing shake am, it trigger am not be small. He said the company shout. No, it's not be DKK wey me Edochie open that day be this. So as they don't tell Yul Edochie say that company, it don't expand, it's big, many workers working for me Edochie there. They are thinking of even opening a branch because they won't use this one now to do their wholesale, they do the wholesaler supply. Then they will not have another place for retailers when they come and buy because that place is not even enough. When goods come like this, there is no space. So all these things now, Amobingo here. Now Amobingo come begin to talk say, me Edochie must give her a share. Or me they share the company into two. He say in short, he prefer me they share the company into two. He go take one side, me Edochie go take one side. Una say and say this man will never heal. He will never heal. Jealousy will just buy Yul Edochie one day. Because while me Edochie was working hard, not be person tell her me go dey dance. Even in mate, there's Zubi Michael, the Frederick, all of them they work hard on their project. Yul Edochie they dance for social media. Thinking say if they pepper us or being the pepper his wife. Why did they dance? The ex-wife was planning her life. Now the woman don't stand gidigba. Oga they find who wan share business with her. Yul Edochie they find who wan share business with her. Say make me Edochie come give her. In short, he no even want money. Now half of the business now he wants. The same business where he fall when and Judy Austin come dey dance online. The business don't bounce back now. Oga say they'll give her half. He said me Edochie is a wicked woman. He said me Edochie just want to finish him. He paid money in that company. He supported me Edochie financially, mentally, and everything. Now they just want to cut him off. Thank God people don't know Yul Edochie finish. As they talk and so people they tell us say go cut. He no fit go court. They say go court. Carry, if you get evidence, court go support you. Go court. Because they already know, say, na me Edochie, na be the pepper and salt for that house. Yul Edochie is nothing but a noisemaker. Person wey me Edochie package. Person wey me Edochie say make he still open his eye. Person wey me Edochie still dey put through. Person wey me Edochie be one uplift. They never even rise and come up for ground. He say na heaven na e dey. As me Edochie live now, na no say as he fall for ground. Na property wey no get, na dey cry for. Property wey no be own, na dey fight for. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.